friends, this is Ashishrini from Maya Creations. As you all know, it's February, month of love. So today, thought of speaking about loving your own self. So let's talk about self-love. What is self-love? Self-love is about reading about ourselves. Get to know ourselves better. We will know what our strengths and weaknesses are, identifying our values, etc. Self-love is about learning ourselves. After reading about ourselves, we need to learn from our weaknesses and try coming out of it. And we should enhance our strengths by taking some risk, learning new things, etc. Self-love is about discovering ourselves. After learning and reading about ourselves, we will have to discover ourselves by having healthy conversations, trying creative activities, etc. Here, ask two questions about yourself. What defines you as a person? And what makes you as you? Lot of us find the answer in one of the three situations. First situation is physical image, second, bank balance, third, popularity or job. Or you can be defined more than this. Let's see. Why should we love ourselves, or what is the need for self-love? Self-love makes us feel good. It gives us self-confidence, self-respect and also immense self-power, which is hidden in ourselves. By this, we can grow internally as well as externally. Self-love is not selfish, but essential. Love yourself first. As we all know, only if we fill in the coffee mug, then only we can pour it into others. In the same way, if you feel self-love in yourself, then you can be a strong motivator or influencer to others' life. Add self-care rituals into your life in these simple steps. The first step is to love yourself physically. Second, treat yourself like a child. Third, speak to yourself. The fourth, love yourself emotionally. Now let's speak about each step.
The first step is love yourself physically.
Feel your best every day. So do your everyday skincare routine so that you feel relaxed. If you like music, listen to the music in the morning after you wake up or when you feel you're down. Dress better if you feel that it motivates you and boost up your energy level and confidence. Stop comparing with others. If you find someone more glamorous or skinny, don't feel down, as it's a social media era. Everything here is on internet or media is mostly photoshopped ones. You get so many apps and filters in Google Play Store or in iStore to do it. Let, however, be your physique. Accept it. You are unique and you need to bring value to yourself by your uniqueness.
The second step is treat yourself like a child.
We look after the kid with utmost care, love and affection. Same thing, show it towards yourself. Treat yourself when you achieve something in life. Admire yourself for the achievement. Gift yourself something you are fond of, as it inspires you to grow more and it builds self-confidence in you. that which leads to more growth. Go out, have a lunch or dinner for your achievement. Self love is a feeling. So give some time and treat yourself. Enjoy all the little achievements as kids do. The third step is speak to yourself. Speak to yourself, friends, or else you will miss a great personality within yourself. Listen to the inner voice that guides you every time in situations like when you get scolded by your boss, when you wake up and look into the mirror, when you make a mistake, when you eat out something unhealthy, when you cry, or when you rest. Notice what you tend to tell yourself most often. What do you say when you have achieved something? Or what you tell if you fail? Feed positive talk rather than the negative. Positive talk always helps you to be strong than the negative talk. Negative talk like I should have done it, I will never get a chance, I will never get a good job, I am sad, I am hopeless. Don't feed such things to your mind. Rather, feed a positive talk. Always say, I am capable, I am good enough, I have achieved, I will achieve, etc. Talk often to people who have positive vibes rather than the people with negative vibes. Last one, love yourself emotionally, which is most important. List out all the things that you love to do. I know it is very tedious, but you should do it. If you can't know what you love about yourself, then ask your near and dear ones what they love in you. Then write down all the things that makes you happy and also all your flaws. As no human is perfect, if you have to know yourself and love yourself, write down all your strengths and weaknesses. Let all the negativity go. You have to love yourself as you are. Write motivational quotes or read motivational quotes that make you feel amazing, like you are on the top of the world. If you find that you have no time to write down motivational quotes or read motivational quotes, then you can record it and play while you are doing household chores. Be a self motivator for yourself every day. Hobbies are best part for motivation. For improving your relationship within yourself, it is very important. If you like to dance, switch on the music and dance for yourself and even record your dance, and you can see a best dancer in yourself. Or if you like photography, you can go out and click pictures and come home and edit all those pictures and tell yourself that you are good at photography. If you like cooking, cook dishes you like, taste it, and I'm sure you will be the best chef for yourself. More hobbies or more passion is good as it brings out the inner happiness in you. Let's see how to start self-love. Take photographs, play with animals, cook, buy good dresses, go to spa, paint, write daily gratitude journal, go for long rides, visit many places, dance, go for a yoga class. The more you practice the act of self-love, the stronger inner person you would be. The stronger inner person means stronger externally. So just start, follow. Know that if you do it now, one day you will just get it. Be a happy human being. Hope you have all enjoyed my.
I will see you at the next video. This is Ashush Srini signing off. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe. It means a lot to me.